A lot of people think that this is what it looks like to be a digital nomad, but it's not. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like to be a digital nomad in this video. My day starts at 7 when the morning sun is waking me up. Normally in Europe it will take me a while to get ready, but here I fully embrace the life of no makeup and wearing a bikini as an outfit. Going to work looks completely different. Instead of taking the car, I put my helmet on and drive away on my motorbike. 2 years ago I was in a bad place where I didn't want to go to work at all. I was so unhappy with my job that my body started to act on it, and I knew something had to change. I left everything behind, started working remotely, which allowed me to work from all over the world. And now I wake up being excited to start my day. The reason I like Bali so much is that it's basically made for digital nomads. So today I like to work from a cafe, and that's the nice thing about working from Bali as well. There are so many cafes. So I just start from 9 a.m. and by opening my emails and checking if there's anything that I need to respond to, and then I'm just going to work from here. Since I'm working by myself and not in a busy office, it means that I can be way more productive and get more things done in less time than I was able before. And because of that, I can take a little break by walking a few meters to get into the pool and feel refreshed again. After working at a cafe, I like to switch it up by going home again. We have a small house with a kitchen, and while it may seem boring to cook at home, it's one of those things I quickly miss when I'm traveling. So we try to make as much meals as we can, and besides that, it also saves some money. I get the rest of my work done at the office at home. And in the afternoon, Europe starts working as well, so that's when I have all my weekly meetings. And now comes the best part about being a digital nomad. So after work, I'm now able to wind down easily in a beautiful surrounding. Today, for example, I went outside to one of my favorite places to see the sunset here in Uluwatu. This place has the best views over the cliffs. Here I take my time to clear my head and appreciate the decision I made to not do what society expected me to do, but to choose my own path and be happier than I ever was before. This is why I became a digital nomad.